Tips for how to remove tan. 1. Take chilled yogurt in a bowl and add a pinch of turmeric to it. Mix it properly. Apply this paste daily for 20 minutes on your hands, face and neck before shower. You can wash it off earlier during the winter season as it dries faster. 2. Take a cucumber and cut it into 2 halves. Now grate the half cucumber and keep it in a bowl. Add 2 tablespoons milk or milk powder and few drops of lemon juice. Mix well. Apply and let it stay till it dries. Wash with normal water. Apply this weekly to get the best results. 3. Cut a tomato into 2 halves. Rub the inner side of the tomato on the skin of your hands so that the seeds and juice come in contact with the skin, helping you to get rid of tan skin. 4. Take the pulp of mashed papaya. Try rubbing it on the tanned area. This massage also helps in curing the tanned skin. 5. Turmeric is a natural skin care product that is capable of curing almost all common skin problems. Take turmeric and mix it with lemon juice. Stir well. Now add 1 tablespoon of raw milk to it. Apply this on your hands and let it stay there till it gets dried up. Thereafter, wash it with cold water to see the visible results. 6. This remedy is the easiest of all and can be applied anywhere and everywhere. Just take lemon juice and apply it directly on your hands. Let it stay for 15 minutes. Now wash it off with cold water. Lemon juice contains citric acid which effectively lightens the skin and fades away tan. However, this treatment can be a bit drying for your skin, so don't forget to moisturize afterwards. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe channel for more health tips. Have a nice day.
AAI Clinics, no excuses, just results. Give us a call for a free consultation with one of our clinical advisors.